At the blanking workshop, cutting machine and guillotine shears precisely process raw materials, starting the manufacturing journey. The small parts machining workshop is a hub of activity where CNC lathes and drilling machines craft intricate small components with high precision. Shot blasting machines blast steel shots at high speed, effectively removing rust and impurities from workpieces, ensuring a clean surface for further processing. In the tempering furnace, workpieces are carefully loaded to relieve stress and enhance mechanical properties, a crucial step in quality assurance. The compensation workbench production line relies on skilled workers who meticulously assemble and fine-tune components, ensuring precise performance with their expert craftsmanship. The large parts machining workshop houses powerful pentahedral machining center and floor-type boring mills, shaping large workpieces with exceptional precision. In the small assembly workshop, skilled technicians assemble small press brake components with care, and inspection equipment ensures every part meets high standards. The medium assembly workshop is bustling with activity. Multiple machines work in tandem, and overhead cranes assist in assembling large components efficiently. The large assembly workshop is the final stage of production, where multiple press brakes undergo comprehensive assembly, testing, and quality checks before delivery. For product details or custom solutions, visit our website or contact us. CNHAWE, technology drives efficient production.